Welcome to a brand new episode of Hum Tum or AI. We are delighted to welcome Mr. Gaurav Vyas, Head of Information Technology at SPGPrints India, Stovec Industries Limited. Good morning, sir. It's a pleasure to have you with us. How are you doing today?
Thank you very much. Good morning to invite me for this discussion, and I'm very much privileged to be here with the Bharat CXO. So thank you very much to invite me. I'm very much good. How you are doing?
I'm doing great, sir. Thanks for asking. So
Yes.
let's just begin with the questionnaire and explore some key topics in our conversation. What is your perspective on the evolving role of AI in your industry, and how do you see it shaping the strategic direction of your organization in the coming years?
AI, it's artificial intelligence. Artificial means intelligence. It's something different than the human intelligence, but it is similar to human intelligence. So nowadays, everybody is talking about the AI, what is AI, and how it has been affected to the market, especially in the industries. So it's a new tool or technology with the lots of power. It can efficiency in your automation everywhere from the shop floor to marketing, sales, in any industry and anywhere you can utilize this tool. So it's all about how effectively you have utilized this tool, and it can automate all your daily routine processes. So it has lots of potential. Still, it's depend how much you have trained it, because it's all about the data or the model you have been training, and that's why you can utilize it effectively. So it's a game changer for all the industry.
Yes, I agree with your point. Like AI is a hot topic right now. Everyone is using AI and AI in an organization. If you can see, or in the current trends, or in any students or young generation, you can see the many people using AI. It also helps to improve stability and improve our skills and help us to find a proper fit for like anyone facing any problem in any translation or documentation or any thing you can say. It very useful for us. So, in your
Yes.
view, how can small and medium-sized businesses effectively leverage AI to drive growth, efficiency, and innovation, especially given their limited resources compared to large enterprises?
In the small industry, there is a weekend for list because they have a limited resources. In larger industry, they have a lots of budget also to invest. They have lots of potential to invest. But small industries and SMEs, especially or startups kind of industries, they are facing with the limited resources. So, but yes, they can start with small tasks like a repetitive task. What they are doing repetitively, they can automate their processes, or they can analyze their data, and based on data they can insight what how they can cater those processes and how effective they will. So it's about their yes, they have a limited resource, so they need to plan accordingly. They can change their customer experience, because if you have a good customer experience, you have a good potential to prove yourself in the market. So these are some areas where small and medium industries can plan. Yes, they can. They have a very limited resources, so they need to plan accordingly, stage by stage. So, in my opinion, they should start their challenging areas, on what areas they can focus, and with the immediately they can get the result. Because there might be something which we can get later, that they can plan for a larger roadmap, but there might be small issues which can be addressed immediately, and that can give them a good result. So they can plan like a customer experience. They can implement their small tools and activities which will helping to address their customer problems, and then a customer experience can just the customer delights is now normal for everyone. Everyone is thinking about how to make their customer more delightful. Other than this, their shop floor, maybe they have a routine task, a repetitive task. They have to do they can implement their accuracy, effectiveness, because there are multiple people are doing, but their problem of errors may increase day by day. But they can introduce AI where they can reduce the errors. The system can be more effective or optimized, where they can use limited resource and get the best benefit at that. So these are some areas they can immediately. And then the larger map, yes, if they have a potential and they have their resource, they can plan for the larger roadmap also. But immediately with the small and medium kind of industries, they can start with the small pilots kind of thing. They can implement some some pilots, and then they see the result, then they see the effectiveness, and then implement the second stages. That this approach will helpful for them to introduce a larger way of the technologies.
It's so good to know from your point of view, like for a small industries like to driven and efficiency and innovation, like as they have limited resources, so they need to plan accordingly. Like they need to tackle the challenging choices and to driven the force and for the betterment in the future. And next, I would like to ask, like, which industries do you believe are poised to gain the most significant advantages from the advancement in AI, and what factors do you think will drive the transformation?
So as far as the industry is concerned, I will not name any specific industry because it's applicable to all. It's a like a new learning or new. It's a, earlier that there were terms ki computer is a literacy. Now AI is also similar to all the industries. It's not thing related to an industry. Yes, I can name some industry for the sake of information only, but every industry we can utilize the industry depend on their case, their requirement, how they can, because it's all about the business to decide what is to be planned and how it to be planned. So I name healthcare. They can plan their drugs discovery. They can plan their all customers related information, like patients related, patients related information. They can automate these processes, and they can train their database, and based on that they will to understand this kind of. So there are something which before going for the doctors, they can have their information this patient is coming, and they might have this kind of similar 3 4 5 or criteria, and based on their criteria, what primarily they can plan. So this is one of the industry I am giving there. You can utilize any industry. You can for the finance, invoicing process, HR. If you can, they have many things to do and repetitively, they can automate those processes, and they don't need men to do this thing. Machine can do that on behalf of that. Yes, there is a fear of people that the AI will kill the jobs, and this is a different form. So but yes, it will give you more accuracy, more effectiveness, and it will give you future proof system. So how more you train that data, it will give you more. So it's required for all the industries. It's nothing related to manufacturing. In shop floor there are multiple things, from raw materials to good product. So RFD, everything you can plan, you can automate. There are many things, many sensors, many automation you can plan in your shop floor. So you need supply chain management. So it's nothing like to any industry or anything. You can utilize everywhere this technology, but it is all you to decide the use cases. So depend on your use cases, you can plan your strategy for that, and then you have to develop your pilots, your projects, and then you can implement for but yes, in one line it is applicable to entire all the industries, but it's up to you how you want to utilize this technology.
It's so insightful to know that it applied to all the industries. Like AI can be used in the all industries to gain benefit and impact and result driven, and so it's useful to all. From your perspective, what role does data plays in the success of AI initiatives within your industry? And how does your organization ensure the quality and accessibility of the data needed to drive meaningful outcomes?
AI, what AI, how AI works? AI works on the data. So a data is a fundamental element of any solution, any tool, AI based tool or any tool you are, because based on data you can decide your strategy. So it's a fundamental element, sorry, it's a fundamental element for implementing your AI strategy. It will impact so how accurate you are putting your data into the training your model. So because the maximum data can give you maximum result, it will give you more insight, it will more benefited, it will give your accuracy, because how accurate data it is, it will be the quality of data and accuracy will impact your result. So sometimes we have heard many people are saying that AI is not giving accurate information. So yes, AI, there is no man who will understand your feelings or your emotion. It will act what data you are providing. So based on your data, it will train your system and it will give the output. So it's how effective and good data, quality data you are putting. So it will give you the quality result. So AI is totally the fundamental requirement or basic need of a successful or a effective AI tool or strategy is based on your data. So how quality, how effective, how much accurate data you are putting. So based on your model, will your data design, and that will accordingly you will get the result. So it's all about the data. So data
Okay.
is very much important to yes.
Okay, that's great. So thank you so much, sir, for such an insightful and engaging conversation. It has been a privilege to
Thank
learn
you very
from your
much.
extensive experience and inspiring journey. I'm certain our audience will benefit greatly from the valuable perspective you have shared today.
Thank you. It was also nice to be interacted with you, where I can contribute my valuable information to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you.